Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And I just got done hiking here at Amicalola Falls. And after my hike, one of the shoes that I put on is the Kane Revive Recovery Shoe. So this shoe, first of all, is made out of sugarcane from Brazil. It's breathable. It's got massage nodes on the bottom of the footbed, so it really feels good to massage the feet and just let your toes stretch. It's got a nice wide toe box, very stable. So it provides, with this kind of sugarcane sole, it gives it a firm but comfortable feel. Not overly firm, but there is a little bit of firmness, and it's got a little bit of arch support as well, but they feel so good. They come in a number of colors for men, for women, for kids, and they also have a great program where they recycle these shoes and have a yoga mat too, which is really cool. So I'll put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section so you can check them out. Check out all the latest colors. They're always coming out with new colors, and they also make special edition shoes for athletes and other people that they are working with as well. So check it out today. These are great shoes and perfect for after a run, or in my case, a hike. All right, have a great day. Take care.